Verifying your bank account on Bunq is a straightforward process that ensures your account is secure and compliant with regulations. Follow these steps to complete your verification. Step 1. Download the Bunq app. Start by downloading the Bunq app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, open the app and create an account if you haven't already. Step 2. Sign in. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROG to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Navigate to verification. Once logged in, go to the Settings or Accounts section of the app. Look for the option labeled Verification or Account Verification to begin the process. Step 4. Provide required documents. You will be prompted to upload identification documents such as a passport or driver's license. Ensure that the documents are clear and meet the specified requirements. Step 5. Confirm your details. After uploading your documents, review all the information you provided. Confirm that everything is accurate, then submit your verification request. Wait for a notification regarding the status of your verification. Once you have completed these steps, you should receive confirmation of your account verification. If you encounter any issues, consult Bunq support resources for assistance.